Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra device, and I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So, you need to remember only 3 rules. Your device is very powerful, and after years your device must be fast, okay? And if your device starts to slowed down, it means that one of these 3 reasons I'll tell you about are consuming your tablet performance. So first reason that can slow down your device is the lack of internal storage. Open settings and find here battery and device care. Here find storage. Click settings, scroll down, find my files, enable and go back. As you can see, I have used only 11% of my internal storage, but when you fill up your internal storage over the 70% full, it means that you need to clear your internal storage, because any device on Android, on Windows, on Mac OS, any device with operation system starts to slowing down when this device have no 30% free space on their internal storage, on their disk. Okay, cool. The second aspect is the RAM. So all processes are running at the moment, they are running in RAM, and here again the winner is one who invests in a device with more temporary storage. So we need to open the memory here, click RAM and enable RAM expansion, RAM Plus, and click 8 or 6 GB for example, and reboot your device. In this way you will improve your internal storage. You will get more RAM. How it works? So here you have really fast internal storage, internal disk, and operation system can use the small part of the disk to use it like a memory, okay? And in this way it can work. And the last aspect is the viruses and junk files. We need from time to time check is our device have the viruses on our device. So open battery and device care, click device protection and click turn on. Click on it and click scan tablet, because sometimes we have junk applications installed on our device that are consuming system performance, and it's really bad for our device. So we need from time to time scan our tablet. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.